Want to stay fit without leaving your home? The right treadmill can completely transform your daily workout routine. Watch this video till the end, because today I'm revealing the top 5 best treadmills of 2026, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is the best overall choice for your home gym. Whether you want to walk, jog, train for a marathon, or simply stay active while working from home, this list is carefully researched to help you choose the right treadmill. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. NordicTrack. The NordicTrack T Series is a popular entry-level treadmill designed for home users who want reliable performance at an affordable price. It features a powerful motor, comfortable running deck, and foldable design, making it a practical choice for smaller home gyms. Review highlights. This treadmill is well known for its smooth operation and compatibility with iFit interactive training, which gives users access to guided workouts and trainer-led running programs. Pros: foldable and space-saving design, compatible with iFit training programs, smooth and quiet motor performance, comfortable running deck, great for beginners and casual runners. Number 4. NordicTrack Commercial. The NordicTrack Commercial series is a premium treadmill lineup designed for serious runners and advanced training. It features incline and decline functionality, allowing users to simulate uphill and downhill running for more intense workouts. Review highlights. This treadmill is built with high-end components and interactive iFit training, providing a more immersive and professional fitness experience at home. Pros: incline and decline training capability, heavy-duty commercial-grade build, interactive iFit workout programs, large running surface, foldable design for easier storage. Number 3. Soul Fitness. The Soul Fitness treadmill lineup, including the F63, F65, F80, F85, and TT models, is known for its durability and strong performance. These treadmills include powerful motors, incline adjustments, and Bluetooth connectivity for fitness tracking. Review highlights. Soul treadmills are widely praised for their sturdy construction and smooth running feel, making them ideal for regular training sessions. Pros: strong and durable build quality, multiple model options for different budgets, Bluetooth connectivity for fitness apps, powerful motor for running workouts, foldable design for home use. Number 2. Horizon Fitness. The Horizon Fitness treadmill is designed to provide excellent performance for home workouts, especially for runners who want responsive speed and incline adjustments. It features powerful motors, quick dial controls, and strong frame construction. Review highlights. One of the standout advantages of Horizon treadmills is their smooth running performance and simple user-friendly controls, making workouts efficient and enjoyable. Pros: powerful motor for running workouts, quick and responsive speed controls, durable and stable frame design, good compatibility with fitness apps, great value for home fitness setups. Number 1. NordicTrack T Series. Taking the top spot is the NordicTrack T Series, one of the most popular home treadmills thanks to its balance of performance, features, and value. It includes a comfortable cushioned running deck, strong motor performance, and compatibility with the iFit training platform. Review highlights. This treadmill delivers a reliable workout experience for both walking and running, while its foldable design makes it ideal for home environments. Pros: reliable motor performance, comfortable cushioned running surface, iFit interactive training support, space-saving foldable design, excellent overall value. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing build quality, workout features, comfort, and overall performance, the NordicTrack T Series stands out as the best overall treadmill in this list. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.